So this is just an unboxing video. I need a little bit of time to check this phone and make a review. So enjoy the unboxing. Unboxing Sony Xperia 5 Mark IV from Ovantica, and this was in problematic condition. You can't use the SIM. You have to only use Wi-Fi, and there is one line on the display. That's why I bought this, because it was for low price than compared to a normal one. This is not the bill, it's a courier information and address. This might be the bill. Condition. You will have phone always on the top. Charging cable and the warranty card. For problematic devices, you won't get any warranty except for 7 days replacement. This is the phone itself. So you can check the quality of the phone. Let's power this on. Yes. You can see everything here. I think you can see that here. So I'll help you to set this up with you can change the language here itself for this phone. English, US. This time you can change the language here itself. Phone looks good in the first look. It looks great. You have Photo Pro, Cinema Pro and Video Pro. Let's test these apps after some time. I want to get this phone charged first. It has only 10% battery left. Let's open the camera in this. You can see the photos. Okay, let's use the front camera once. Next. Yes, it looks great. Okay, let's clean this up and charge this for a few minutes.